So in this video, I just want to show you how to make a relationship, and I will try to make the one between reserve commod and reserve new. And I'm going to do this in pgmin4. And so back here I've ran a script to make my tables, and I'm going to make this relationship currently between reserve commod temp and again reserve new. This is the more complicated one because it's a sort of a compound key. And so just to jump back, when we make this foreign key relationship, there's a couple things when we're doing it from within pgmin4. We have to go to the child table or the many table and make the relationship there to point back to the parent table. So in this case reserve commod, and in my case reserve commod temp, I'm going to try to relate it to reserve new. So let's bring that to the foreground again, and we'll take a look. So I'm going to go over to reserve commod temp. You can click on right-click properties on the table or go to constraints. It's just a little cleaner. So I'm going to make a new foreign key constraint. I have to give it a name, and so I'll call it the name of the table. So I'll make it reserve commod, in this case temp underscore fk for foreign key. And then I gotta go to its definition, right? That's okay. And now go to columns. So this can be the weird part. So I'm gonna hook the local column min file to a foreign table, and I'll have to try to find it in here, but I'm looking for there's quite a few, I guess. Just gonna scroll through and get to the mineral tables. There's the mineral tables, and I want the reserve new. We hope it's this one, and that. Oh, reserve commod temp. There's reserve new. So this slide across. I was going to double check to make sure I got the right one. So reserve new. That's good. And so I'm going to hook min file to min file, and then I add it. And then I'm going to hook orZone code to orZone code and add it. And I'm going to hook rescat to rescat, and then whether it's an AB sample to an AB sample. And then add it. So it's a 4-column. It's a primary key in the other table, and I'm using those 4 columns to connect to the database. So double check, never hurts to double check. I will bring that forward, and so I'm hooking min file number orZone code rescat A or B to the primary key in the other table. And so we should just be able to we'll save that, and we didn't get an error, right? That's the big thing. And we do now have this foreign key set up right here. And so that's how you can manually create it in pgmin4. Your data is going to have to be clean, because as it makes the foreign key, it's going to go check each row to make sure that there isn't anything violating the key. I'll usually get a pretty good error message if there's a problem, if it can't find a value to link on in that. You just have to clean your data up and then add the key back on again. So this, for now, concludes this video.